I need your advice on GE Monogram refrigerator troubleshooting.
The Monogram refrigerators have serious problems with condensation building up inside the refrigerator. The drain pan will overflow more than you want to know.
I would want to know that.
The evaporator coil is prone to rust.
I think all refrigerant systems are over time.
This is way more than normal, and far faster than the average fridge. The compressor, for example, tends to die right after the warranty expires.
They have good actuaries.
Humidity and condensate affecting the whole unit is a problem for Monogram refrigerators. They even get circuit board failures due to moisture affecting the components.
The cost to replace a control board can run almost as much as the cost of a new, cheaper fridge.
After repeated expensive repairs and long waits for service, you may want to do that. That problems separate from the broken Freon connector that guarantees a refrigerant leak.
A refrigerant leak could cause all that condensation.
The GE Monogram fridge has a problem with condensation from the moment you plug it in, poorly designed to collect it and drain it away. The mold starts soon after.
And that's not even because my kids left something in the back of the fridge by accident or put it back on purpose to see what happens to it.
The humidity is not just affecting major components like rusting out the condenser prematurely or shorting out electrical connections.
You already mentioned mold, which drying out the unit may reduce, if not rinsing it all out with bleach every month or two. I just hate having to empty out the fridge to do that.
You also get sensors misreading because of electrical problems. Motherboard errors that are an outright failure, and food that goes bad because the temperature sensor malfunctions because of the condensate.
What can I do other than call for service and wait?
The GE Monogram is so complicated it is like a computer. Turn off the unit, let the power to the control panels dissipate, plug it back in and see if it works.
You're telling me to reboot the fridge to fix motherboard errors and sensor errors caused by condensate in the circuit boards.
And if that doesn't work, dry it out and try to reboot again.
Will that fix the weird noises it makes?
If the noise is from a motor or starter cap failure, no. If it is a general reverberation while cooling, that happens when it is below 60% full.
Given the odds of it filling, I do not want too much food in there.
You could technically solve multiple problems by putting desiccant packs and baking soda boxes in the fridge, filling up the volume and absorbing the excess moisture.
That is less work than periodically replacing all the food.